Kabait Kram Group, Kakor Khubor, The Times of India, Bat Karobindranath Tagore Club Shillong, Kan Pelong ni Kejerakhe, Da Katem Kaput, Hasos Tham Auditorium Shillong, Haga Khandai Trik Nawing, Arhajar Apsan, Ban Rakhep Don Burom, Yo Norway Bapaunam, Nagane Katain Stilam Ingir India, Balarwai Buntlig Jirwai Haki Plim di SD Barman, Bamkwai Hadwar Blay, Badai Nagajala Tripura. Unongkersyan Barat Ba, ia kene kakenhun, Dr. Sumen Bharatia, Mentagasni, Kalaipuitrik Risau, Arhajar Arpsan, Habakran Hiklat Thai Kubora Shillong, Press Club, Laong Ba, Kin Pelong Yak Jerke, Ban Buram Yote Norway Buponam, Nagane Katain Stilam Ingi, Karindia, Hasos Tham Auditorium Shillong. Kajing Pelong, ia kene Jerke, Hagane Kanong Ba Shillong, Kalong Ban Kenmau Burom, Namar Ba Uneo Norway, Bunsin Usa Hashilong, Uday Nagayings Im na Tripura.
9th of November at Youth Sosotham Auditorium from 5 p.m. onwards.
Uway Nagidukot Kane Kanhun, Upritam Lahari, Ula Batay Langkot, Yak Jelong Juman, Jong Teu Norway, Baponam, Nagane Katain, Haki Plimdi. Lakot Lawer, Yabaro Ikpaiban Shoshnong, Kane Kajala, Bon Yapoi Hagate Gasni. Kajing Yatem Yaput, Kan Sedang, Hagapor Sanbaje Janmit.
S.D. Burman was a member of the royal family of Tripura, known as the Manikya family. He was one of the first stalwarts of music to go from Northeast and make a name for himself in Bollywood. He has given countless iconic hits in Hindi songs, and he also happens to be the father of legendary musician R.D. Burman. If you have heard the name R.D. Burman, he grew up under the tutelage of his father, S.D. Burman. He's one of the earliest famous music directors of Bollywood, along with the likes of Jai Kishan and the others who were the pioneers of music in Bollywood. Since he hails from Tripura and he also had deep connection with places like Shillong, so we consider him to be a son of the entire Northeast. And we are very proud that we have such a musician who has come from this land. So that's the reason why we're doing this program in his memorial. And his birth month and the month of his demise happens to be October. So we try to do it in and around this time. Due to some reasons we couldn't do it in October, so we are doing it in the 9th of November. And today actually happens to be his death anniversary. So that's the reason we chose to do the press meeting.